Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go through 4 breakfast ideas that are under 225 calories, which are also very high in protein and low in carbs. And these are sort of the 4 things that I cycle through whenever I want to change up my breakfast. But I also want to make sure that I am on track with macros and calories and all of that. So I really hope you like them. They're really quick and easy. It's literally just the time to chop up the vegetables or mix the ingredients up and just cook them. It's really quick. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to prep and maximum 20 minutes in the oven, but that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. So I really hope you like them. I will do 2 savory breakfasts and then 2 sweet breakfasts, so we have a little bit for everyone. And also some of them can actually be made in batch, so then you can just eat them and reheat them the mornings after, so as well that will save you a little bit of time. So I really hope you like them. Please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you do, and without further ado, let's get into the recipes. So the first recipe that we have is just a batch of egg muffins, which are really quick and easy to prepare. You just have to chop up your favorite vegetables such as spring onions, sweet peppers, spinach, everything you have in the cupboard that you like. I will also add some meat if you're not vegetarian. Then I just like to add 2 whole eggs and then the equivalent of 4 egg whites to the mix, a bit of salt, pepper, maybe some garlic. You just mix everything up really well. You just distribute it then into a muffin tray. Here I can do 9 muffins, which is around 3 breakfasts. And yeah, you just put it in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees, and that will be ready for you super quickly, super easy. As you can see, it just took the time to chop up the veg and mix, nothing else. And they're around 56 calories each. As you can see, it's a really high protein and fat sauce, and you can have as many as you want, and it will still be around 150 to 200 calories. Next, the second savory breakfast is some spinach, leek and eggs. Again, this is vegetarian friendly, and basically what you do, if you have some spring onions or some leek, you just chop it up and give it a good stir fry in a pan. Then you just add a bunch of spinach. Here I added just 2 handfuls, and then you let it cook it a little bit, and then you just add 2 eggs on top, or even more if you want more protein, and you just let it simmer for around 5 minutes until the eggs are cooked through. And that's it. It's really quick and easy. Again, this is really low in calories, really high in protein and healthy fats, and you also get some greens in your system from early morning. Then the first sweet breakfast is some protein berry smoothie. So here again, it's just a matter of mixing together the ingredients. So we have some milk, your favorite protein powder, whether that's vegetarian or vegan, then your favorite berry, may that be fresh or frozen. You just then blend them up, and again, super quick and easy, just over 200 calories, really high in protein and really high in vitamins, especially if you have fresh berries. And finally, we have the second and last breakfast, which again is a sweet breakfast, but instead of cold is warm. So basically what you do is just cook some oats with your preferred choice of milk, whether that's normal milk or nut milk. Cook it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Then just add again your favorite type of protein powder, mix it all up, and then if you want, you can top it up with some of your favorite berries or some nuts, chia seeds, whatever you want. And again, it's super quick and easy. It just took the 2 minutes and 30 seconds to assemble everything, and again, it's low in calories and high in protein. So that's it. These are my 4 staple breakfasts, whether I want them cold, warm, savory or sweet. They're all under 225 calories, which I think is amazing, especially because I am a snacker. So I do eat a lot throughout the day, just in little quantities. As you can see, they're also vegetarian friendly, especially if you do not add the sausage or the meat in the egg muffins. You can mix and match. You can use any type of berries, whether they're frozen or fresh. You can switch any type of vegetable, onions, garlic, whatever you fancy, and it's available in your fridge at this moment in time. So I hope this was useful. Please let me know if you tried any of these recipes. All the quantities, grams and everything is in the description box below. All the macros were put in the screen with my some screenshots where everything is tracked. So I hope this was easy for you to understand and replicate. Please also let me know if you have any other requests in terms of videos or recipes that I can make a healthy version of. And hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!